Hi friends, today we are repairing this music speaker. You can see the name on your screen now. It was dropped and it works halfway. Some indicator lights up and there is a crackling sound from the speaker, and that's it. I noticed that there is a big crack on the board. It looks like I will have to remove the board and restore the tracks. Let's unscrew it. I removed the board and saw that one of the board's fasteners to the case was broken. It looks like it broke off when it fell. Let's unscrew it. Let's look at the crack. It's just gigantic here. The tracks are torn and that's why the radio doesn't work. We'll need to clean the tracks from varnish and then make jumpers there. I counted 7 places where the tracks are torn. I have restored the tracks. Now everything needs to be cleaned from flux. Next, I will try to turn on the radio and check. Let's check. I see that the flashlight has started working too. Now we can assemble everything. But first we need to restore the board mount. To do this, we need to heat up the soldering iron and solder it. The mount is restored. Do it in a ventilated room because it is very harmful. I soldered the mount on all sides so that the board will definitely hold because there is no strong load on the mount. Now you need to assemble everything and start the speaker again.
Рассказывайте нам, хвастайтесь. Сегодня давайте...
Now you need to tighten the 4 screws at the back. You need a very thin screwdriver here. This screwdriver of mine fits into the hole with difficulty. So with a thick screwdriver you will not be able to unscrew or tighten the screws. Finally, I assembled this radio. Let's check how it will work.
Все приметы поменяем. 2107. И рассказывай, как мне избавиться от примет, и как ты давно уже...
Switching to MP3 works. Flashlight also works as it should.
Чистишь зубы 3 раза, это делаю я опять же. Поэтому давайте, ребят, помогите мне. А я помогу вам. Знаете чем? Трависом Скоттом, например.
That's all, friends. Another device is repaired. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.